What's the story of humanity? How did we as a sapiens grow from insignificant animals to the dominant force on the planet? These are the big questions that Yuval Noah Harari answers in Sapiens, a brief history of mankind book. And let me tell you, it's a fascinating journey. The book covers the entire history of humans from the cognitive revolution 70,000 years ago to modern times. Harari explores how our ability to believe in shared myths like religion, money, and notions has shaped our societies and fueled our progress. It's a mix of history, anthropology, and philosophy, all wrapped into one incredible narrative. What I loved about this book is how it challenges the way we think about ourselves. For instance, did you know that farming, which we often think of as humanity's great leap forward, actually led to more work, poorer diets, and worse health for many early humans? Harari doesn't shy away from pointing out the downsides of progress. Another standout point for me is how Sapiens explains our obsession with stories. So, whether it's religion, politics, or even brand we follow, our ability to unite around shared ideas has been both our greatest strength and at times our downfall. Now, this isn't a light read, it's packed with insights that might take time to digest, but Harari's storytelling is so engaging, it feels like reading a textbook and more like listening to an amazing lecture. So, if you are ready to dive deep into the story of us, I've added the link in the description to grab your copy of Sapiens. And here is the best part, you can even listen to the audiobook for free with Amazon Audible trial. Just click the link to start your journey into humanity's past. If you have read or listened to Sapiens, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you haven't yet, I can recommend it enough. Thank you so much for watching. Happy exploring.